today's video guys, seafoods muna tayo ngayon guys. Ito guys, ito yung kilawin pusit at saka seaweeds. Ito naman guys, inihaw na pusit at saka tahong guys. Kita guys, oh, ang taba ng tahong mo. Alam sarap. Kilawin pusit guys. Seriously, no? Sarap. Sarap. So guys, inihaw na po ito na may kamatis. Grabe, sarap. Subukan nyo ito guys. Tara guys, kain tayo guys. Sarap kilawin pusit.